My name is Liv Kindle. I am their river cleanup and outreach lead at the Spokane Riverkeeper. Spokane Riverkeeper is a nonprofit organization. Our mission is to preserve, protect, and restore the Spokane River for future generations. In my role as the river cleanup and outreach lead, I organize just over 2,000 volunteers a year to remove physical trash from the river. I also provide education about the river and the watershed to those volunteers. I got into this type of work because I've always had a passion for the outdoors. It's my personal philosophy to leave things better than we found them. And through this line of work, I get to do that every day, and I get to instill those values in my community. A lot of this work is very experiential based, very communication based. I got my degree from Eastern Washington University. Eastern definitely helped set me up for success. There's a lot of skills I learned in my degree program that helped me get this job. Things about communication, my writing development, the things that you don't really think about. I definitely developed those at Eastern. Working for a nonprofit is really unique. It's really special because a lot of my work is self-directed. I get to pursue projects that I'm passionate about. I really enjoy the beautiful resources we have in Spokane, and I want them to be beautiful for my children and my children's children.
Learn more about careers and career paths at careerexplorenw.org.